Hey guys, what's going on? So back again with the Fun Bikes MXR 1500. Not done with this now. After Andy fitted the Sabaton the other day, still want some more power out of it, so bought these bad boys. Can anyone guess what they are? I've got 3 boxes with these Lipo batteries. Look at them beautiful things. So there's 3 of these, which will total, well, these 22? Yeah, 22 volts. So then it'll be, instead of 48, it's going to be 66 volts. So not quite up there with 72 volts, the same as Andy. However, the battery space is actually smaller on my bike. But if the voltage sag drop is less on the Lipo batteries, then I'll be getting pretty much the same power out of this as Andy does out of his 72 volts. It's going to be very close. We've got a Bluetooth BMS, 3 Lipo batteries, most of the cables we need, and yeah, so this is the project for tomorrow. Is going to be turbocharging the pit bike. Now today, just wanted to update you on what's happening. I don't like the way the bike looks. It's very messy with the cables. I'm not worried about that because there's no point touching any of that until these batteries are installed. However, I want to get rid of these graphics and have it plain black, so I bet you never thought you'd see me with one of these, eh? I'm going to heat up the graphics and do a little vlog on that today, see if the bike looks better. Also, I want to remove the chain guard because I think it looks absolutely shit. Just makes it look like a kid's toy, although it technically is a kid's toy. They're turning into adult weapons now, you know. I want it to look like a mini dirt bike more than a silly little kid's toy, because this thing is going to be actually properly quick when it's done. Yeah, let's get to it, getting a bike looking a bit meaner, hopefully, in pure black. How's it looking so far? What do you reckon? It's too late now, these graphics look naff anyway. Blue bags, come have a look at this. What do you reckon?
Looks nice.
Go stealth all black.
Yeah.
And then there are black and red batteries tomorrow, but I might put the side panels back. I'm not sure if they'll fit with that. I might have to customise it, but yeah, that looks way better already, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I'm going to take the stickers off in the chain guard. And do you prefer it?
Yeah.
Do I leave the off-road use only red sticker on, or get rid of that as well?
Get rid of that as well.
I think that's starting to look sick. Don't know why I didn't do that sooner, to be fair. Right, I need to get a screwdriver and undo the 2 screws there to get the front number plate done. And again, a couple of screws there. There's a little cable tidy for the brake on the front fault guard. I'm going to whip them off and then I can completely de-sticker the front of the bike. Looking good, looking good. Don't know if you can see on camera, there's a couple of stickers on the forks both sides. I'm going to whip them off. There's some random pig sticker there actually. I'm going to try and get it all off. Oh, one side of the bike done. Alright, let's de-dork this side. Nice. 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 Just trying to remember what it feels like. How sick does that look? That looks so much better. Why didn't I do that? Why did I not do that sooner? That's crazy. Right. Last thing I need to do to de-dork this bike or undork this bike is remove the chain guard because I think it looks so much better. Right, ready for this? Cue the music, guys. Nice, nice. I'm well happy with that. How's that look before and after? That's just like insane. Yeah, so just a quick one today. Undorking the bike, which was a real simple process. Should have done it ages ago. Why did it even take me so long? Cannot wait to fit these bad boys tomorrow. Push 66.6 volts on Lipo batteries. We're going to be running them in series, 3 of these. I'll put the link on the description tomorrow to the website where I've got these, and yeah, can't wait. This thing's going to be like mental tomorrow, absolutely mental. Oh, the only other thing I need to do on it is the electric brake sensors. I've disconnected them, but I need to cut them off. But yeah, other than that, she's good to go. I'll see you in a video. There'll be a video coming up tomorrow, Tuesday. Within the next day or two, the video will be up of this bad boy being converted to 66.6 volts Lipo, which should be really interesting. So hit like, subscribe and hit the notifications icon. So see you in a video soon. Take it easy, guys.